Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by powering off the headphones and unplugging any cables. Work on a clean surface with good light. Gather a T5 Torx driver, plastic spudger, tweezer, and replacement hinge. Remove the ear cushion gently with a plastic spudger. Locate 4 screws under the cushion on the hinge side. Keep screws organized in order and note screw positions. Allow about 20 minutes per hinge to avoid rushed mistakes and possible damage. Unscrew the 4 T5 screws holding the hinge to the housing carefully. Place screws in order on a magnetic pad or labeled tray. Gently lift the housing and check for a small ribbon cable. If a ribbon cable is present, use tweezers to release its latch gently. Remove the old hinge by sliding it clear from the pivot pin. Inspect internal plastic guides and foam for damage before proceeding. Replace any broken internal pieces to ensure proper alignment. Position the new replacement hinge on the pivot pin and align screw holes. Insert the 4 original screws and thread them by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten screws evenly in a crisscross pattern using the T5 driver until snug. Do not over-tighten. Stop when you feel moderate resistance. Reconnect any ribbon cable and press its latch until it clicks into place. Reinstall the ear cushion, power on the headphones, and test full rotation and folding to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.